Few minutes, I'm going to be a mechanic at a workshop, but my other life, my name is Satish. I'm the CEO and the co-founder at Connixt. We make mobile apps for maintenance. Essentially, what I'm going to do over the next 4 minutes and 40 seconds is show you how the Connixt iMark mobile app makes life easy for mechanics, technicians, essentially for my job, my boss's work, his boss, and so on and so forth. So before I begin any further, so the three of the most common tools that mechanics use today are, one, a clipboard with sheets of paper, two, lots more paper, and pens. So what I really want to show here today is how iMark can actually put a stop to that. So the dog is not for sale, the app is. So I'm going to fire up the Connixt iMark app. And what it does is, right when I fire it up, it basically integrates with your back-end maintenance system, Trimble, which is why we're all here, and your ELD telematics provider, whoever be that, to actually tell me that I have, let's see, about 20 jobs waiting to get done today at the beginning of my shift. I got about 200 pending jobs I need to complete. I got about 5 that I need to approve, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to fire up my work queue, which basically then grabs all of the jobs that I need to work on today. And notice it is already color-coded right there because this gets priority for me, the red one. Also, on the top right, you see a little link there, so I'm going to tap on that, and that pulls up my ELD feed, which in this case is Samsara, but again, could be pretty much anything that you're using out there. It shows me the history and so on, and the exact location of the asset I'm supposed to inspect. That can also trigger the creation of work based on fault codes and so on. I'm going to open up the work order, and the first thing it does is it actually shows you the information that has come in from the back-end system. So it has the date and all of this. Each line we can actually associate with barcodes, with photographs, and a bunch of things that you can add to this. So for instance, I'm actually going to scan the vehicle number by actually using a barcode here, and there it is. So it basically pulls in that information, which shows up right here on the link. I'm also going to enter the miles, and that pulls up a numeric keypad. Each line I can associate with instructions, so I'm going to hit the information button right there to tell me how I need to perform my job for that particular line. How do I rate the asset I'm basically inspecting right now? So it can also link up to a video, but right now I'm assessing the condition of this asset as marginal. So maybe then my boss wants to know why I think this is marginal, not great. So I can actually attach a photograph of what bothers me the most with this particular inspection, which is the amount of time I have left. And I'm going to circle that right now. Not only can I take a photograph, I can actually say, that's my problem. Right? So that's now associated with that line item. I can also enter comments. I can just speak into my device and get that translated into comments for that particular line. I really don't like the fact that I have just 1 minute left. So all of these things are associated with each line, and I can even record a weird noise I'm hearing from the audience, for example. All of that gets associated with that line, and then I can put in my signature. It's automatically geotagged and timestamped. If I want the location in there, it basically says exactly where this inspection is being done. If I so decide, I can add that. I can even do a quick walk around and say, this is where I saw an issue. Now, the key to all of this is this information gets uploaded directly back into Trimble, whatever backend system you use. It also can go back to update your DVIRs. More important, I can actually see a report that comes out. And that just about wraps up what I wanted to show you guys here. Thank you.